When using a rose engine lathe, one option that's very useful for the artist is fading. Fading is a term used for disengaging the rosette during certain parts of the rotation. On the MDF rose engine lathe, this is done using a fading wedge, which is this piece right here. I added these markers using some tape, and they're just used for repeatability on the same piece, but they don't really carry over other than that, so don't take any special meaning from them. So for this video, I'm going to use a plane 4 rosette and a paper chuck. So let's see what the first revolution looks like, and it would be what you would expect from a plane 4 rosette. We'll run it backwards. Okay, now let's engage our fading wedge and see what we get. I'll crank it in a little bit so you'll see the difference in the two. So you can see that for most of the rotation it's simply round with the little points coming out where the rosette gets engaged. And we can even go further. And it's even fun to adjust them without adjusting anything else. So you can combine this with phasing, and let's see what we get. Okay. So let's do our square. Well, we'll call that more or less square. And now let's phase it 45 degrees. So there you have it, phasing and fading combined together to give us a different shape on the right now, the one we were just finished. And on the first one it was only fading but no phasing. So if you're interested in more information on this topic, check out the web pages and the links below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful.